In a world where nations rise not just through war, but through wisdom, where strength is no longer measured only by muscle, but by the mind and spirit behind it, India has taken a bold step into history. This is not just about missiles or machines. It's about a nation that once depended on others, now standing tall and leading. The Akash-Ng isn't just a weapon. It's a symbol of faith, fire, and future. Stay with us till the end, because what you're about to witness isn't just defense. It's destiny unfolding, powered by courage, guided by purpose, and written in the skies. Akash-Ng, which stands for Akash Next Generation, is a highly advanced surface-to-air missile system developed by India's premier defense organization, the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. This upgraded version of the original Akash missile represents a major technological leap, bringing enhanced capabilities and precision to India's air defense arsenal. The missile is designed to intercept and destroy fast-moving aerial targets such as fighter jets, unmanned aerial vehicles UAVs, and cruise missiles. What sets the Akash-Ng apart from its predecessor is its improved range, mobility, and responsiveness. While the original Akash had a range of about 30 km, the Akash-Ng extends that range significantly to approximately 70 km, making it suitable for modern high-threat environments. In addition to its extended range, Akash-Ng features a new active electronically scanned array ESA radar system. This radar provides better target detection, tracking, and engagement capabilities in challenging weather and combat conditions. The guidance system of the missile has also been upgraded, making it more accurate and reliable during flight. The missile incorporates a 2-pulse solid rocket motor, which ensures sustained thrust and improved maneuverability throughout its trajectory. This advanced propulsion allows the missile to adjust its flight path in real time, giving it a higher probability of intercepting evasive or high-speed targets. Another critical feature of the Akash-Ng is its canisterized launch system. This makes it easier to transport and launch with minimal preparation time, increasing its deployability across various terrains. Its quick reaction capability gives the Indian Armed Forces a distinct advantage in modern combat scenarios, especially against surprise air attacks. With its cutting-edge technology and fully indigenous design, Akash-Ng stands as a significant symbol of India's growing self-reliance in defense manufacturing and innovation. The Akash-Ng missile system is specifically engineered to counter and destroy modern high-speed aerial threats. These include a wide range of airborne targets such as fighter aircraft, drones, helicopters, and cruise missiles. What gives this system a decisive edge is its ability to engage these threats with high accuracy at extended distances and altitudes. One of the most defining features of Akash-Ng is its engagement range of approximately 70 kilometers. This is a significant improvement over the earlier Akash variant, allowing the system to detect and neutralize incoming targets before they come too close to critical military or civilian infrastructure. It acts as a protective shield for key installations, including airbases, military camps, and strategic assets spread across the country. Akash-Ng also operates effectively at altitudes of up to 20 kilometers. This high-altitude interception capability is essential in modern warfare, where enemy aircraft and drones often operate at varying flight levels to avoid detection or engage in surveillance and bombing missions. With this capability, Akash-Ng can engage threats both at low levels and high altitudes, giving it versatility and effectiveness across different combat scenarios. The system is designed for rapid deployment and quick response, making it highly reliable during real-time battlefield operations. It features an advanced seeker and radar system, which allows it to lock onto fast-moving, maneuvering targets. Whether the target is a jet flying at supersonic speed or a drone evading detection with low radar signatures, Akash-Ng is capable of tracking and eliminating it with precision. This level of responsiveness and range puts Akash-Ng among the elite category of modern air defense systems. Its high-speed interception capability significantly enhances India's defensive posture against both conventional and asymmetric aerial threats. One of the most critical technological advancements in the Akash-Ng missile system is the integration of an active electronically scanned array ESA radar. This radar technology represents a substantial leap in tracking, detection, and target engagement capabilities. Unlike traditional mechanically scanned radars, ESA allows for faster beam steering, greater target tracking precision, and superior resistance to electronic jamming. This gives the Akash-Ng system the ability to detect multiple fast-moving targets simultaneously in a cluttered or hostile electronic environment, increasing its efficiency and accuracy in real-world combat scenarios. The ESA radar plays a key role in identifying threats at longer ranges and guiding the missile throughout its engagement. It enables the missile to operate effectively in all weather conditions, day or night, and provides real-time situational awareness to the operator. The use of ESA radar in the Akash-Ng marks a significant move toward modern, network-centric warfare capabilities for India's air defense forces. Alongside this radar system, Akash-Ng is powered by a 2-pulse solid rocket motor. This propulsion mechanism is designed to give the missile sustained acceleration and agility during its flight path. The first pulse is used to launch and reach a certain altitude and range, while the second pulse is activated during the terminal phase of the flight, allowing for last-minute course corrections and enhanced target engagement. This makes the missile highly maneuverable and capable of intercepting evasive or high-speed targets with greater accuracy. The combination of ESA radar and the 2-pulse motor makes Akash-Ng a state-of-the-art system capable of responding to modern aerial threats. These features not only improve the missile's hit probability, but also contribute to the flexibility and survivability of the system in dynamic battlefield environments. The Akash-Ng missile system is a product of complete indigenous development, reflecting India's growing self-reliance in defense technology under the national vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Spearheaded by the Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO, the missile system has been designed, developed, and manufactured entirely within India, involving key public sector units and private defense companies in a collaborative effort. This self-sufficiency is significant not only in terms of technology, but also in strategic independence. By building the Akash-Ng without reliance on foreign components or systems, India has reduced its vulnerability to international sanctions, export restrictions, or geopolitical pressures that can arise from defense dependencies. Every part of the missile, from its radar systems to propulsion and electronics, has been created through the efforts of Indian scientists, engineers, and defense manufacturers. The indigenous nature of the Akash-Ng also means better cost efficiency and simplified maintenance. Since the system is designed domestically, it can be upgraded, customized, and serviced with ease by Indian agencies without having to depend on foreign expertise. This improves turnaround time for deployments and ensures a reliable supply chain for spares and replacements. Under the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative, projects like Akash-Ng represent a major shift in how India approaches defense preparedness. It encourages innovation, boosts local manufacturing, and supports startups and industries working in the aerospace and military sectors. It also inspires a new generation of talent to contribute to national defense through science and technology. The success of the Akash-Ng showcases India's capability to produce world-class defense solutions entirely on its own soil. It strengthens India's identity as not just a consumer of defense hardware, but as a producer capable of exporting strategic systems to allies and partners around the globe. The Akash-Ng missile system has been specifically engineered to deliver exceptional mobility and rapid reaction time, which are essential qualities for modern air defense operations. Unlike fixed systems that are limited by location, Akash-Ng is mounted on highly mobile platforms, allowing it to be deployed across a wide range of terrains including deserts, mountains, and remote border areas. Its mobility ensures that the system can be repositioned quickly based on evolving threats or strategic needs. This flexibility provides a significant advantage to field commanders who must adapt to fast-changing battlefield conditions. Whether it's defending an advancing convoy, a remote forward base, or a critical civilian infrastructure site, Akash-Ng can be moved and set up with minimal logistical delay. The missile system is also designed for quick reaction capability. Once a potential aerial threat is detected, Akash-Ng can be operational within minutes, tracking, targeting, and launching with exceptional speed. This short reaction time is vital in intercepting high-speed jets or drones that may attempt to breach airspace without warning. The combination of advanced radar systems and automated fire control mechanisms enables the missile to act swiftly and decisively. Another important aspect of this capability is the system's ability to function under extreme weather conditions and difficult geographic environments. From the freezing heights of the Himalayas to the hot plains of Rajasthan, Akash-Ng maintains its operational efficiency without compromising performance. Its rugged design and climate-resilient technology make it suitable for India's diverse topography and unpredictable climate. In modern warfare, where speed, flexibility, and resilience determine the outcome of battles, Akash-Ng mobility and quick response features place it at the forefront of India's defensive capabilities. It gives the armed forces the power to create a moving shield that travels with the threat, neutralizing dangers before they reach vital assets or regions. The Akash-Ng missile system plays a vital role in India's layered air defense architecture by filling the critical gap between short-range and long-range missile systems. It is designed to provide medium-range coverage, offering a protective umbrella for military bases, key installations, and forward operating positions against hostile aerial threats. With an effective range of up to 70 kilometers, Akash-Ng ensures interception of enemy targets before they can cause damage to critical zones. India's air defense is structured across multiple layers, each tailored to neutralize threats at different distances and altitudes. While long-range systems like the Russian-made S-400 and the Israeli-developed Barak-8 are meant to engage threats at ranges exceeding 100 kilometers, they are limited in number and are often stationed to protect strategic cities and nuclear facilities. Akash-Ng is intended to bridge the space between those high-end systems and more localized short-range defenses, ensuring comprehensive coverage across various battlefield scenarios. Its presence alongside the S-400 and Barak-8 enhances overall flexibility, enabling the Indian military to respond dynamically to different types of threats. For example, if a cruise missile slips past long-range detection or comes in at a lower altitude, Akash-Ng is capable of locking on and destroying it before impact. Its integration ensures that every layer of Indian airspace is protected with minimal blind spots. Moreover, Akash-Ng is interoperable with other Indian defense systems, thanks to its modern radar, data link, and command and control networks. This seamless coordination allows for real-time information sharing and optimal target allocation between systems, maximizing efficiency and firepower. As a complement to existing long-range systems, Akash-Ng enhances India's ability to defend itself from saturation attacks, stealth threats, and rapidly changing aerial assault patterns in modern combat scenarios. One of the most advanced features of the Akash-Ng missile system is its ability to track and engage multiple aerial targets simultaneously. In modern warfare, where threats are often launched in coordinated waves involving multiple fighter jets, drones, or cruise missiles, this capability is essential for an effective air defense system. The Akash-Ng system is equipped with state-of-the-art radar and fire control systems that allow it to detect, prioritize, and respond to several incoming threats at once. The missile system uses an active electronically scanned array ESA radar, which provides wide coverage and fast detection of targets flying at different speeds and altitudes. This radar can scan a large portion of the sky in real time, identifying and locking on to hostile targets within seconds. Its ability to switch beams electronically rather than mechanically allows it to jump from one target to another almost instantaneously, without compromising tracking accuracy. Once multiple threats are identified, the system can coordinate its missile launches through an automated command and control setup. This allows the Akash-Ng to assign specific missiles to individual targets while continuing to monitor the rest of the airspace for new threats. The onboard guidance and seeker technology ensure that each missile remains locked onto its assigned target, even if the enemy aircraft or drone attempts to evade or change course. This multi-target engagement capability enhances battlefield survivability, especially in high-intensity conflict zones where saturation attacks are common. Instead of relying on manual input for each threat, Akash-Ng operates semi-autonomously, reducing response time and human error. It ensures that no threat goes unnoticed or unchallenged. By being able to engage several incoming threats at once, Akash-Ng significantly improves the overall effectiveness of India's air defense shield, making it much harder for adversaries to penetrate Indian airspace with surprise or mass attacks. The Akash-Ng missile system is not only a significant achievement in military technology, but also a powerful tool in India's defense diplomacy. Its export to other nations represents more than just a commercial transaction. It reflects a strategic geopolitical move aimed at strengthening India's influence and partnerships on the global stage. As nations seek alternatives to traditional Western arms suppliers, India's ability to offer a high-performance, battle-proven air defense system like Akash-Ng positions it as a credible and independent defense partner. Exporting the Akash-Ng system enhances India's role as a security provider in regions where stability is fragile and where trusted defense cooperation is in high demand. Countries in South Asia, Southeast Asia, Africa, and Eastern Europe have expressed interest in acquiring Indian defense systems, recognizing the balance of affordability, reliability, and effectiveness they offer. The recent deal with Armenia, where India is supplying advanced weaponry including Akash-Ng components, highlights this shift in global defense dynamics. By offering a domestically developed system, India avoids the complications often tied to Western export controls, licensing issues, and political conditions. This gives partner nations more autonomy in using the equipment without restrictions, making India an attractive supplier. At the same time, these deals help India build long-term strategic relationships, create interdependencies, and project soft power through trust-based defense collaboration. The export of Akash-Ng also sends a strong message to adversaries. India is no longer just defending itself, it is actively shaping the security framework of regions beyond its borders. As global defense alignments evolve, Akash-Ng is not just guarding airspace. It is helping India carve out a more assertive role in global affairs, signaling its emergence as both a regional stabilizer and a rising global power in the defense sector. The Akash-Ng missile system marks a defining moment in India's defense journey, an achievement that blends cutting-edge technology with strategic vision. It reflects the strength of indigenous innovation, the success of Atmanirbhar Bharat, and the growing trust the world places in India's defense capabilities. As the first air defense export takes off, India rises not just as a guardian of its skies, but as a global contributor to peace and security. Thank you for watching and supporting this journey of progress. Stay inspired, stay informed, and never stop believing in the power of a rising nation. Good luck to you all.